Commuting in Cebu while in general community quarantine. My God, ang hirap. Sana i-allow yung family member na mag-back ride sa motorcycle kasi mahirap talaga mag-travel if Hi guys, Kiniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I'm heading out for the first time nga naka GCQ nami guys. And I'll be doing a lot of errands today and yeah, excited! GCQ ng Cebu. And this is the first time na magawas ko naka GCQ. It's June 5. Oh my God, checkpoint. I went to the terminal and walang sasakyan. No vehicles. Samantaan. No? Asa ni Padong kuya? Asa ni? Ha? City Hall? Mo to? Okay. So nakasakay po City Hall. Una ni siya. This is the new normal na guys. Oh my God. Yo. So mauna ni siya guys ang new normal. As you can see, nanay division ang kanisya. And waiting pa may for more passengers. Grabe. Singok tanaw eh. I just arrived sa City Hall, guys.
Christian Ortega. Michael Ordinario. K. Anthony Omshi. Leon Orevelo. Leon Orevelo.
Shorts after. Tagana no. So guys, daghan kay naglukat for travel pass. I don't know why. Travel pass is really in because daghan kay tao as in grabe. Woo. Documents guys, process. Grabe daghan. So I'm heading now para home guys, paying electric bills as well. Naano may daghan kayo nga sakyanan. Oh. Oh, that guy touched me. Oh my god. Commuting in Cebu while in general community quarantine. My god, ang hirap. So, balik ulit ako sa payments for electricity bills kasi kanina off yung system nila. Hopefully, okay na ngayon. Finish na ako sa City Hall and balik sa electricity bill. Hi guys, nag-rest ko kay kapoy kayo. So, the money that I bought is super kulang and I need to go back to get money kasi hindi pa ako nakapagbayad ng electricity bill since yung RD pawn shop okay na siya for the payment for electricity bill. Babayad na lang kasi today lang ako makakalabas, Saturday and Sunday hindi. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday lang kami pwede dahil sa quarantine pass coding. So ganito guys, if ganito siya, if you're commuting during general community quarantine here in the Philippines, there's a lot of risk actually, especially when you're going to ride a certain multi-cab. Ang hirap pag ikaw yung malapit sa driver, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng pera, and every time that you're going to get money from each person, you need to sanitize always kasi naman galing sa ibang kamay, so you need to sanitize always. So, yan siya. I'm still waiting for my husband na dumating to give me money kasi naman layo pa if babalik ako sa bahay and then going back to the payment center. Laban. So guys, I bought a whiteboard marker and whiteboard itself. Bumili ako ng marker at saka whiteboard. Good luck. Hi guys! So finally I'm home. I'm back with my whiteboard and whiteboard marker. And done na ako dun sa City Hall. Done na rin ako sa payables. Meron lang akong isang payables na hindi nabayaran kasi naabutan ako ng close ng bank. So babalik ako by Monday because Saturday and Sunday wala namang, hindi ako pwede makalabas Saturday. Sunday wala ring bank. So Monday na siya. So that's it. I will be removing everything and take a bath and voila. Kapoy besh, grabe. So that's the life. That's the life of being a commuter here in the Philippines under general community quarantine. Meron sana kaming motorcycle, pero hindi naman ako pwede mag-back ride sa husband ko kasi bawal ang back riding sa motorcycle. Grabe. Super bawal. So, wala, hindi magagamit. Kapoy, dala-dala. So, sana i-allow yung family member na mag-back ride sa mag-back ride sa motorcycle kasi mahirap talaga mag-travel if family. So, mas prone siya sa virus. At the same time, hindi kami makadiretso uwi kasi kailangan mag-commute. So, yun talaga yung ano. Hopefully, pwede na mag-back ride. Pwede namang i-verify yung quarantine pass and pwede rin nilang i-verify yung mga IDs kung totoo ba talagang asawa or family member, diba? So, thank you so much for being with me, guys. Maliligo pa ako and see you soon. So, everything must be sanitized and alcohol prior sa pag-ano. Ang mga sinuot ko is ilalagay ko dito para labanan. Mang mask and hat. And yan. Mga damit. And this one, kailangan i-sanitize. Grabe guys, super gutom. Kain ako ng Milo at saka oatmeal. Gutom bitaw guys. Uy, grabe, makabuang daganag tao nga to. Ang daming tao dun sa City Hall. Grabe. Maraming tao sa City Hall guys. Ang pangit na ng bubong namin.